Hey, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel TechGrantha. So today we are going to learn about the new Splunk query, which is related to find out the response time. Okay, so we will find out like how can we track about the average response time. So we can write down the queries like int equal to bank log and the response time, and then here stats and average response time. So if you are going to write down that query, we will get the response time for the particular URI and all those things also. If you need to find out through the URI, then here you can just mention as URI equal to star. So all the URIs it will provide the response time on there. I hope that video is helpful to everybody. And if you like the video, please share the video and subscribe the channel. And we'll come up with the new tutorial soon. I will discuss tomorrow. Thank you so much.